Oh, amigos, we got the Mexican looking knife over here, the Kizer Cormorant, but this specific edition is really nice looking. So if you're a fan of those color codes, it looks like a Fiesta to me. It comes with this really nice looking case that is special edition and comes with this box as well. So you can gift box this one, and then of course this will be inside of it, and then you have the knife in here as well. So you're really getting really nice deal over here, all combined, because usually you don't get a special edition case just like this. So that's really cool, and it has extra accessories for you included in here, such as the Lego stickies, this thing which is really soft, and yeah, this is an exclusive one too. You can see over here it says Kizer on here. It is a black version. Usually we don't get a black one, so it's kind of cool altogether. And of course there is a pocket over here, and long and behold, the pocket has something as well, action foil. But primarily you can stick this either in the pocket, you can put stuff on the side, you can stick this in here, you can put this on your belt. This is a lot of use, and that's just looking at this without even exploring the knife. So this specific knife has the S30VN steel, G10 scales, and 4 ways for you to open this up and 1 way for you to close. First way, grab it, open. The button, press on it and close it. Second way to open, one hand, press over here and open this up. Second way for you to open, that was a second. Number 3. Flicking it, this is my favorite. But there is a forward flick here too. For those of you who are adventurous, you can flick it just like this. Make sure you hold it, and you can go ahead and open this one up just like that. So this one is another cool flicking over here. And yeah, altogether 4 awesome ways for you to open this up, 1 way for you to close it. There is also the following. So if you don't like where it is stationed, you can take this one out and you can put it on the other side right in here. And next thing that I like about this is the scales. So this is the scales it comes with, and it looks kind of nice, but for example, if you want to switch scales with another knife, you can potentially do so, but you would need to disassemble this knife. I don't know why you would want to do this, but you can. Now, next thing about this is how slick and nice this thing actually looks. Look at how black this thing is. And it is much more improvement over the white edition of this. And the S35 steel is just amazing. Much higher quality as well. G10 scales, the looks, it feels good in the hand. It's easy for you to grab and hold this. I like the groove over here that gives it an ability for you to go ahead and hold this pretty secure as well. And the next thing about this, you can even get all the way up close to the action in case you want to go ahead and do so. The G-ring at the top over here, which makes it look really nice as well. It is pretty much secured, so it's not gonna go ahead and snap itself, because it is Kizer. They make really great looking knives, and this one is no exception to that. So on one side you can see how it looks like, oh, nice and yellow, beautiful. On the other side it's black and orange over here. This one is right in the middle. This thing is just slick. This knife is slick in every sense of the way. So if you're looking at a really nice looking slick knife that you can hold, you can carry, you can do things with, yet it is small in size, budget friendly, and really nice looking. This one is definitely up your alley over here. And the best part is that it comes in this carry case. When you're done, just go ahead, throw this in with a bunch of your EDC stuff. I wish Kizer made more of those things because it's really nice having a carry case. So you can put all your collectibles in here in case you need to, or your other EDCs in this bag and have everything ready to go. Plus it keeps it from getting dirty from the elements. The case itself is definitely an extra that comes with this knife too. So I definitely like this knife. I really suggest it if you are thinking of getting something that is really cool looking. And usually you don't get a knife that this cool. And the opening action is just awesome. I love the action on this. It's fun. This knife is one of those fun knives. Once you get this, you're gonna like it. It is one of those flickers that you can have a lot of fun with it. Once you go ahead and flick this a few times, you're gonna get addicted to this knife. You're just gonna like it. And it is one of those knives that once you get it, you just like it. It is one of those awesome knives that it's just fun. It's just so much fun because you can flick it from one end, you can flick it from another end, the front flicker, the side flicker, and the most dangerous one over here, which is actually not as dangerous as you think, but yeah, it is fun. So in my opinion, this knife is just it. It is awesome every sense of the way. And if you like the color code on here, you're gonna love this knife. Take a look at this beauty. It is just beautiful all around. It looks slick in every sense of the way. So if you're on the fence thinking if you should get this, remember, once they stop making this specific version, which is the limited edition, there's gonna be no more of them. And then of course you'll be like, oh, I made my mistake, I didn't buy this. Because you should have gotten this knife. And it is, the flicking action is just awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So go ahead and help yourself get this knife and enjoy it. It's going to be lots of fun. And it is my favorite. Well, my favorite in my rotation.